Hello guys, this is Jeff from McStuff, and today we will see how to make a spring in 3 minutes. Actually it does take 2 minutes, but let's say 3 minutes. So you have to click on the start button, then go to mechanical design and click on wireframe and surface design. Rename the part as spring or whatever you would like. Click on OK and we are here. So now click on insert wireframe and click the helix. Now that the dialog box has appeared, it is asking for the starting point. Now that we don't have a starting point, let's create one. So right click on it and say create point. Let's give x as 50 mm and y as 50 mm, which means that the mean radius of the spring will be 50 mm. So let's click on OK. Select the axis as z axis, and now the pitch is the distance between the two adjacent coils of the spring. So I'm gonna give it as 25 mm, and the height of the spring would give it as 300 mm. Click on OK. Now we have created our helix. So now go back again to start, mechanical design and part design. Let's create a plane now. Select the plane type as normal to curve. Select the curve as this helix, and we have to choose the point. So you can select either of the both points, either the top one or the bottom one. I'm gonna go with the bottom one and click OK. So we have created a plane which is normal to the helix. Select the plane and click sketch. Now we need to project the point first. Click on the project 3D elements over here in the top right corner and then click on this point. Let's convert it into a construction element. So now take the circle, draw a circle taking this point as the center of it, and we don't need the circle as the construction element, so let's turn it off. And then we draw a circle. Exit the workbench. Then we are into part design, so click on rib, center curves, select the center curve as this helix and click OK. Voila, we are done. We have created our spring. So now if you want to make changes in the spring, click again on the helix. If you want to change the orientation, click counterclockwise from the orientation box, and if you want to give it a taper angle or you want to make it a conical spring, then give the taper angle as, let's say, 6 degrees, and let's check it out. So yes, it is that easy. Okay, now that if you want that the spring should have flat ends, so now that's pretty much easy job. But first let's hide this plane. Hide. So okay, now click on the ZX or the YZ plane, click on sketch and draw two rectangles of any shape you would like, but the one side of the rectangle should lie on the Z axis. So this, and another rectangle on the downside. Okay, so click the exit workbench and then now click on the groove option over here and select the axis as Z axis. Click OK. You see that the springs has got flat ends. Let's have a look. It has got flat ends now. Now it's easy to mount between two bodies now. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and found the tutorial easy to follow, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. New tutorials are coming soon. Until then, adios, sayonara, goodbye, bye bye.